everybody, welcome back to my channel. Alicia Marie here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my nose jewelry and my gauges. So, as many of you know, I just pierced my nose a couple days ago, and so I'm just going to show you how I clean that on a regular basis. And I've been stretching my ears since my birthday of last year now, so July 19th. I've been stretching my ears since then. And so now these are a size 8, and I've been stretching them with about a month or two in between. So the last time I stretched was November 25th, so I'll be stretching again sometime soon. Be on the lookout for that video. All right, let's get started. First thing, I'm just gonna get two Q-tips. And then using some antibacterial soap, I'm going to start with cleaning my nose. So first I wet both of them, and then on one of them I'm gonna put the soap, and on the other one I'm gonna push up the nose ring like that, and I'm just gonna clean around it. It's honestly not really sore or anything anymore. And then using the other side, the one that went in my nose, I'm gonna wet it again on the other side. Put soap on that one, and then clean the inside. I'm gonna clean the actual ring as well. Honestly, this thing has stayed very clean while in my nose, and it doesn't poke out or anything, so I really liked it. Push that back in, throw these away. Two more clean ones, wet them. Then I kind of like to press and let the water run down like that. Again, press that. Now I'm just gonna put a little water in my hand and then soak it like that for a few seconds just to make sure all the soap is out, okay? Once I'm done with that, I will lightly dry my face, pat it gently with a towel. I actually kind of avoid the ring there because I don't want any string to get stuck around it, so I don't want it to like wrap around and pull my nose ring out or leave string there, so I just ignore it, okay? Very easy, very simple, quick, done. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take one out at a time. When I take the O-ring off, I just go ahead and rinse this off with a little bit of soap too. Just like that, so there's a little bit of soap in my fingers and just rub it in between like that. And then rinse that off. Set that to the side for now. And I'll go ahead and pull the gauge out. Ugh. These are Howlite. I actually really love them. I actually really love these. They're Howlite. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got them from. Got them from Amazon, and I had glass ones in before, and these ones are just so much better, so I really like them a lot. So again, with this, I'm just gonna put a little bit of soap on it and then rub it off and then rinse it with water, and then I'll show you how I actually just clean my ear. Just soap, rubbing it. put a little bit of antibacterial soap on my finger, kind of rub it like that, and then grab my ear, just lather the soap on it. Rub it in. And so I'm also just, massaging it in. It's good to massage your ears anyways. Try to kind of push it out a little bit both ways to make sure it's super clean. Then once I'm done with the soap on it, I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse that off. And then lightly dry it, or gently dry it, should I say, with the towel. Kind of pressing it in. Ooh, that's so pretty. Then before I move into the next ear, I'm gonna go ahead and take my jojoba oil and just put a little bit on my ears and give it a good massage. So, ooh, got some on my shirt, oops. A little bit more on my fingers and just massage it in. And I usually massage each ear for about 2 minutes, just giving it a good massage. Kind of massaging in circular motions, pressing on the actual stretched part of my ear and kind of pulling it, and then just massaging even all around it, going up a little bit, back and forth, good massage. Then I'll grab the clean piercing with a little bit of oil left over from my hands, rub that on there, and push it through. Just like that, very easy. Wipe my fingers off so I can get the O-ring on. And then just take that. I don't know if you guys can see. And then kind of just slide it on. There we go. Okay. That's how I clean my ears. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one off camera. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. So, I'm just, again, putting oil on this ear. I just wanted to let you guys know what my goal size is. So at my job, we are allowed to have tunnels up to the size of quarters. And so my original plan was probably to go about 9/16. But then I found out that a quarter is about the size of 24 millimeters. So since we're allowed to have them, why not go that big? Tell me what you guys think. Should I go 24 millimeters or stop at 9/16, which is about 14 millimeters?